Last year, Wyoming collected more than $2.2 billion in property tax revenue. And while every property owner contributes, the burden and the benefits aren't equally distributed. Mineral companies pay nearly half of all property taxes in the state. They're taxed at 100% of the value of what they pull from the ground. Residential and commercial property, by contrast, makes up about 32% of collections. Industrial properties together contribute around 20%. Agricultural land barely registers at 1%. If we eliminate property tax altogether, the winners are clear: the biggest landowners and corporate entities. But the price of that shift? It lands on everyday families. Replacing property tax would require about $1.7 billion in new revenue, roughly $1,700 for every person in the state. To cover that, Wyoming's sales tax would need to skyrocket to somewhere between 11% and 14%, or a hike in sales tax would have to be paired with an income tax as well. They just show up somewhere else. Those kinds of increases hit lower and middle-income families the hardest, while wealthier households and out-of-state corporations keep more of what they already have. And there's more. Without property tax, the portion of our services currently funded by out-of-state mineral companies disappears. Wyomingites would shoulder a far greater share of the cost for services they've long depended on. So while some homeowners might see modest savings, the structural consequences are anything but modest. Schools, counties, rural hospitals, local governments, each would face devastating cuts or be forced to plead for backfill money from a state budget already stretched thin. The math doesn't lie. Eliminating property tax might look like relief, but it's a bait and switch. The costs don't go away. They just show up somewhere else.